Alright, well, happy New Year's everybody. Back at it with another video. It's just going to be short. I'm just going to go in an empty parking lot, swing some donuts around because we finally got some snow. And unfortunately it's going to be pitch black in the car because it's nighttime. And that's the benefits of the winter. It's 5 o'clock and it's pitch black out. So if you haven't subscribed already, feel free to do that and browse through my other videos if you guys want to see some races and maybe a dyno video, quarter mile time, stuff like that. I hit something. All-wheel drive, when you start going side to side, whatever the speedometer says you're doing, it's pretty much what you're doing because it picks up speed quick. So in no time, if you're in second gear drifting around, you'll be doing actually 80 kilometers sideways, and it doesn't take much to lose it if you're not that great at drifting, which I'm not. So like a little roundabout. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to comment, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.